Hello, friends. I am back. And before we start, let me talk or rather read two news from Times of India yesterday. Number one, Cisco, networking giant Cisco Systems recently announced plan to lay off approximately 7% of its global workforce as the company shifts focus towards the high growth areas like artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. This marks Cisco's second major job cut in 2024. The second news is about Cognizant. So, Cognizant has awarded an annual hike between 1% to 5%. Not only that, Cognizant also started offering starting salary of 2.52 lakhs per annum for fresher, which is a level that some said is 2 decades low and goes back to the starting salary of 2002. Now, if we talk about or look into these two news, what does it signify? It signifies that there is a serious concern in terms of the salary hike or even the employability, especially with those who are holding the traditional skill set. Whom should we blame for this? Is it the companies, Intel, Cognizant, and any other companies? Not really. It's a regular phenomenon. It happened earlier also when the industry has shifted from mainframe to the new age technology that is mostly Java and .NET, approximately 15, 20 years back. And it is happening once again. So, if we analyze it, what is the way out? In a few of my previous videos or sessions, I have talked about the importance of AI, artificial intelligence. So it is quite obvious that the market or the demand, job demand, or the client working requirement is shifting from traditional technologies towards AI or cybersecurity or those areas. Even data science is also still hot. What does it again mean for us? Number one, if we are holding experience to 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, whatever, and we are into that technical space, IT software technical space, in that case, it is paramount for us to upgrade our skill and get into the AI cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a very specialized area. So I would say AI space. Now, second, if you are still undergoing your graduation program, BE Tech program from universities, colleges, in that case, again, it is very important that you start learning these new technologies, start getting or gaining the expertise in these new technologies. One more important thing that I bring to the notice of all of you, I mean, in the sense, the freshers or the students who are undergoing graduation, and also to the colleges and universities, that learning these skills, just learning these skills, let me be a little more specific, just learning these skills will not suffice. I mean, it will suffice for large organizations who can afford, training after the graduation, who can afford shadow period after the graduation. But for small to medium sized IT company, only learning the skill will not help. We need to figure out a way where, while in the college, the students get exposure of working in real life project, not the demo project, not the dummy project kind of thing. College library system, inventory management system, and all these things, it doesn't work. So you need to get real project experience while you are still undergoing your graduation program, which means you need to understand, you need to understand how this technology can be used or is being used in the real commercial project, how the agile framework works. What do we mean by scrum meeting? What do we mean by stand up meeting, daily stand up meeting, weekly scrum meeting, and so on and so forth. Until or unless we are gaining this expertise or experience, hands on experience, it will be, trust me, very, very difficult to secure a decent job in the IT industry going forward. And if we cannot, in that case, I am sorry, but perhaps the only option remains is to work in BPO or call center, which has nothing to do with your IT skills or engineering skill, what you have learned. Think about it, find out a way how you can work towards this, how you can gain this expertise, project experience while you are still working. Um, I will come back with maybe probably some solution. Till then, thank you. Have a good day, good evening. Thank you.